Alexis wouldn't let me do the video alone, so she's here, right here, in the bottom of the screen. We're going to look at the area south of the Turnpike, where they have the 2 new championship golf courses going in. They do have a bunch of fill dirt there stacked up, and they have a bunch of tore down building parts and stuff like that.
I need to do a secret.
What? Oh, she wants me to tell you that the Packers are 5-1.
No.
She wants me to tell you that she doesn't feel good. I did want to thank you guys real quick. We made it past 1,700 subscribers. Thank you for subscribing and watching all the videos and liking them. The support's been amazing. And I mean, enjoy this video. This area here is part of the Continuing the Dream portion of the villages south of the Turnpike, south of St. Catherine and those areas. You can see they're doing some fill dirt in here, and then a lot of that other stuff is just debris from houses and buildings that they've bulldozed over. I'm going to make an assumption. This area is actually going to be 2 championship golf courses right here in this cow field, and the video I did yesterday with the Sawgrass Grove in that area, the Zell Rec Center, that bridge is actually going to connect to this side right straight ahead in front of us here. They're actually going to do a medical facility on that side along the Turnpike as well. So you can see they're getting a lot of the fill dirt ready. A lot of times what they do is they'll bring in this fill dirt and they'll either store it here or they'll send it from here to somewhere else. This area here that is no longer grass, and actually you can see it right in front of you, the strips, they use that for sod. So when they're resodding an area or whatnot, they've been using this whole field for that. You can see all the lines in the field, and we'll drop down and get a little closer here soon to take a look at that. It's pretty cool on this whole area and what they're doing. And so you can see right here where the dirt is, that is all strips of sod that they have cut out and rolled up and shipped off, and they're using elsewhere. So not a lot to see in this area. They're just getting ready for everything, but still kind of cool to see. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Stick around and watch it till the end. You'll be able to see Alexis again being goofy in the video. And like, subscribe, and all that good stuff, and I'll see you next time.